Let's go, lad. All right, pick a line you're happy with. Remember, she's a bit wet. All right, go. Yeah, lad. There it is. Hang on. Sorry, dude.
No, I got the young fella all for you.
Now we popped the tyre.
Ah.
In you go.
Oh, good.
Dude, that was sick. Yeah. That was sick, man. Very, very nice.
I gotta go for a ride. I just had nowhere to go, eh?
Silly question. Is that just because you're gonna?
Lovely.
No, this is cable.
Oh, okay.
So boring.
Hey, check us out on the socials. On Instagram, we're on Second Stage 86. I love taking photos of cars. This is where I post them. Head out to Cars and Coffee and Racetrack, taking photos, so go have a look at that. If you enjoy a bit of brain rot, we're on TikTok. Head over to TikTok, short form videos all about metal fabrication, some tips and tricks, and car content and stuff messing around in the shed. If you know what the Y2K bug is, we're on Facebook, doing Facebook things on Facebook. So go over there, scroll there, have a look around. Subscribe to this video and hit like. Tell me about what you enjoyed about it in the video. Tell your nan. Second Stage dropped a new video. Check it out, nan. Alright, take it easy.